So what we're doing is got this roll here, and we replaced the original shaft. We put a stub shaft in there. This is a solid core roll, so it's really heavy, but we put a stub shaft in there, and we made it about 5 5/16. We did about a 5-inch bore in there, and we left about 5/16 so we could weld it, and we put a chamfer on the weld there.
Break done.
I know.
You got that done already?
Not yet.
What the hell are you doing?
Making a video. So anyway,
See how you're fucking the dog?
so we put that chamfer there. No. So anyway, so we got that stub welded in there, and then turned the radius on it, and so, well, so we'll go down to the other end and I'll show you what we got chucked in here. We got it chucked right here on put a piece of aluminum shim stock in there. We cut a slot in it, bored it out to 2 inches. So basically we heated it up to about, I had to heat this up for about 20 minutes to get it to expand about 2/1000ths of an inch, because we put a 2,000 shrink fit on it. And then we, while it was still warm, we took it down to the welding table and I heated up the shaft. What we did was we took and we soot the shaft. We turned on just the acetylene and we put soot on the shaft, and then we heat it up, and when the soot burns away, we know the shaft's hot enough to weld, because this is a 4140 shaft and we didn't want it to break. So we heated it up good and hot, and then we welded it up. We ran about, I don't know, probably about 4 beads in there, and then we'll turn the radius on it, so that'll give it a little extra strength. So then we're just gonna finish turning it down. We're still pretty warm, so we're roughing it in, and then we'll come back and finish it.